Hello all! So we have over 50 wild animals and sea animals on the floor. So we're gonna put them all into this box. So let's begin right now, okay? So our first figure right here, it's actually a Collet Lizard. It looks so beautiful. Let's put this right into the box. What do we have over here? This it's a black tip reef shark. Looks really beautiful. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We have a zebra. So let's put this zebra into the box. What else we have? What is this? Let's take a look at the name. This is known as a horned lizard. Okay, so let's move on. What is this? It looks like a coyote to me. I'm not too sure. Or is this a wolf? Do you guys know what figure is this? Yes, it is a coyote. Let's put this right into the box. And over here we have a nice blue whale. So let's drop this into the box as well. What else do we have? We have a beluga whale. So let's drop this into the box. And we have a beautiful white horse right over here. So let's drop this into the box. Okay, let's move on and take a look at this beautiful and colorful fish. This is a clownfish. And this is a koi fish. And this is a Glenville's beaked whale. Alright. What else we have? An octopus. This is a panda. That's right, a panda bear. Looks so adorable. This is a koala. Nice as well. And this one right here, it's a bison. A really strong animal, which is really powerful. Okay, over here we have another octopus. This is a beautiful lemon shark. Yes, that's right. It is like yellow in color, which is why it's known as a lemon shark. An elephant. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen elephants before. They're really strong animals with a trunk which is really strong as well. Another animal, kangaroo. This is a beautiful Atlantic white-sided dolphin. Alright. This is a polar bear carp. This is a weird looking whale, a pygmy sperm whale. This is a small little crocodile known as a Caiman. What else we have? A beautiful horse. Alright. Let's bring the box over. Hyena. A blue shark. Yes, this is the name of this shark. Blue shark. And over here we have a Genghis river dolphin. This is a white lioness. This is a narwhal. It has this little overgrown tooth right in front of its face. Another elephant. Let's drop this into the box. This is a blue Tang. Okay. This is a reef squid, a really beautiful reef squid. Let's drop this into the box. And here we have a white buffalo. Do you guys remember the bison? So this is another really strong animal. This is a grouper, Goliath grouper. Let's drop that into the box. White alligator. Okay. A beautiful starfish. This is an Arctic fox. This is a thresher shark with a very, very long tail. This is a Nile crocodile. Right. This is a moose. It's a really tall and strong animal as well. This is a hermit crab. Alright. This is not a beluga whale. This is a white whale. Let's move over here. This is a dugong. That's right. A lion. A flying fish. Alright, they can actually like glide through the water. They can jump really high. Sawfish, which is actually a type of shark. This is a beautiful white tiger. We have a red kangaroo. A giraffe. And our last figure of the day is a cheetah. Beautiful one. Okay, so that's 50 wild animals and sea animals inside this box. Hope that you guys enjoy this and stay tuned and subscribe for more videos, okay? On daily basis. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.